the best metal detectors for beginners in 2023. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to TheTechMag, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we've got something exciting in store for all you treasure hunters out there. We're diving deep into the world of metal detectors and bringing you the best options for 2023. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your treasure hunting journey, we've got you covered. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right in to our top picks. MIYAY. Introducing the MIYAY Metal Detector, the ultimate companion for adult treasure hunters seeking the pinnacle of performance and versatility. This professional-grade metal detector is engineered to excel in the quest for gold and silver, boasting a high-accuracy sensor that ensures you won't miss even the tiniest hidden treasures. Its advanced LCD display provides crystal-clear visual feedback, allowing you to easily identify the type and depth of the detected metal, making your treasure hunting experience more rewarding than ever. Not just a fair-weather companion, this metal detector is built to withstand the elements with its waterproof design, so you can confidently explore riversides, beaches, and wet terrain without hesitation. Featuring 5 distinct detection modes, you can effortlessly tailor your search to suit your specific needs, whether it's searching for relics, coins, jewelry, or all of the above. The 10-inch coil on this detector offers ample coverage while maintaining sensitivity, ensuring that no valuable artifact escapes your attention. But that's not all. The MIYAY Metal Detector is designed for comfort during prolonged use, thanks to its lightweight construction. The adjustable stem extends to up to 60.2 inches, accommodating users of varying heights and preferences. ATODEKARU. Next, we have the ATODEKARU Metal Detector. First and foremost, this detector boasts an exceptional level of waterproofing with its IP68 rating, ensuring you can explore even the most challenging environments with confidence. The larger LCD display is a game changer, providing a clear and detailed view of your findings. It's not just about detecting metal, it's about understanding what you found. The bigger screen allows you to easily identify the type of metal and its depth, providing crucial information for your treasure hunting adventures. What sets this detector apart is its strong memory mode, which lets you save your favorite settings for quick and easy access. No need to recalibrate each time you head out. Simply recall your preferred settings and start detecting right away. With 5 versatile detection modes to choose from, including specific modes for coins, relics, and jewelry, you can tailor your search to your heart's content. The 10-inch IP68 coil offers excellent coverage, increasing your chances of discovering hidden treasures while maintaining sensitivity. You won't miss a thing with the advanced DSP chip, which ensures precise and reliable detection. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, this metal detector delivers results that will leave you impressed. Pyle PMD38. Moving on, we have the Pyle PMD38 portable battery-operated super handheld metal detector wand security scanner, your ultimate companion for ensuring safety and security in various settings. This handheld metal detector wand is designed to provide top-notch security scanning with adjustable sensitivity, making it an indispensable tool for professionals in security and law enforcement, as well as for anyone concerned about safety and security. This is a portable powerhouse that operates on battery power, offering you the flexibility to use it wherever and whenever you need it. Its lightweight design and ergonomic grip ensure comfortable handling during extended scanning sessions, so you can carry out your security checks with ease. Another standout feature of this handheld metal detector is its adjustable sensitivity scan. This allows you to fine-tune the device to your specific needs, ensuring it detects metal objects with precision while minimizing false alarms. Whether you're scanning people, luggage, or packages, this level of control ensures efficient and accurate results. SUNPOW OTM D09. Up next is the SUNPOW Metal Detector for adults, the ultimate tool for seekers of gold and precious artifacts. This metal detector is not just your average detector. It's a high-performance, waterproof marvel that's designed to elevate your treasure hunting experience to new heights. It boasts remarkable features that set it apart from the competition. Its waterproof design ensures that no terrain is off-limits, whether you're exploring riverbanks, beach shores, or muddy paths. You can plunge into your treasure hunting quest with confidence, knowing that this detector can handle the toughest environmental conditions. And equipped with 5 distinct detection modes, this metal detector offers versatility and adaptability to suit your specific needs. Whether you're on the hunt for coins, relics, jewelries, or valuable artifacts, you can fine-tune your settings for optimal results. The SUNPOW metal detector's advanced DSP chip guarantees precise and reliable metal detection, reducing false alarms and maximizing your chances of uncovering hidden treasures. Plus, with an impressive 11-inch detection depth, this detector allows you to reach deeper into the ground to find buried treasures that others might miss. Its strong anti-interference technology ensures that you won't be distracted by external signals or interference, providing a seamless and uninterrupted treasure hunting experience. Cakuja. Next is the Cakuja metal detector for adults. This versatile and user-friendly handheld detector is not only suitable for adults, but also an excellent choice for kids who want to join in on the fun. With its wealth of features, waterproof design, and cutting-edge technology, the Cakuja metal detector promises to make your treasure hunting experiences unforgettable. It comes with 6 different detection modes, providing you with the flexibility to customize your search for specific types of treasure. And designed to withstand the elements, this detector features an IP68 rated 10-inch coil that's perfect for outdoor adventures. Whether you're exploring the beach, forest, or wetlands, you can do so with confidence, knowing your detector is up to the challenge. Plus, the waterproof design means you can even search in shallow water without worrying about damage. The larger LCD display, measuring 4 by 4.7 inches, provides a clear and detailed view of your findings, allowing you to easily identify the type of metal and its depth. The real-time feedback is invaluable for tailoring your search and maximizing your treasure hunting success. The Cakuja metal detector is not just about functionality, it's also about user comfort. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during extended treasure hunting sessions, reducing fatigue and allowing you to enjoy your hobby to the fullest. ULHUND. Lastly, prepare to elevate your treasure hunting game with the ULHUND upgraded metal detector for adults. This professional-grade detector is engineered to provide unparalleled accuracy, sensitivity, and depth, making it a must-have for both seasoned treasure hunters and beginners alike. At the heart of this metal detector lies its advanced DSP chip, a game-changing feature that ensures precise and reliable metal detection. The ULHUND upgraded metal detector minimizes false alarms and maximizes your chances of unearthing valuable artifacts, relics, and hidden treasures. It's not just about finding metal, it's about finding it with unparalleled precision. The larger LCD display is a standout feature, offering a clear and detailed view of your findings. It's not just about detecting metal, it's about understanding what you found. The bigger screen allows you to easily identify the type of metal and its depth, providing crucial information for your treasure hunting adventure. With a 10-inch coil and a remarkable 12-inch detection depth, this metal detector offers exceptional coverage and reach, ensuring that you won't miss any hidden treasures buried deep in the ground. Whether you're searching for coins, jewelry, or historical artifacts, the ULHUND metal detector has the power and depth to deliver. This metal detector is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomic and adjustable design that ensures a comfortable grip and customizable length.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.